Okay, arriving in now is the 1809 Chiltern Railways service to Birmingham Snow Hill, formed of a class 68 and an 82. This is the little treat I said I had for you guys. Yeah, Snow Hill from London Marylebone. 60, it should be 68012, and it is indeed 68012. So this is where we say goodbye to Rob's public transport videos. So thank you for joining today. Have a safe trip back. See you later. See you later, Rob. Let's go film this going out. Okay, coming in there as well is the delayed 1804 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone from Birmingham Moor Street. Which is 168217. Yeah, 168217. That is a great thumbnail. What a photo. It's so cool on a 68 because when you record it on the actual video, the lights flash on it. It's so cool. Anyway, it is ready to go. So we'll be going out in a minute. Oh! Alright, departing now is the 1809 Chiltern Railways service to London Marylebone from, to Birmingham Snow Hill from London Marylebone. Incredible. I forgot to mention this will be the last train of the day. And it should be 82309 on the rear. It is 82309. This is 165131 with the 1445 Great Western Railway service to Banbury from Oxford. So guys, and approaching now is going to be an 82 and a 68.
68.
Oliver, turn around, look. Oh, great. I think that was 82 something, but 82309 and 68012 passing through with a Chiltern Railway service from Birmingham Moor Street to London Marylebone. Okay, pulling in now, we have a class 68 for Chiltern Railways coming in from London Marylebone, terminating here. This is the first ever time I've seen one of these in passenger service. I believe it has an 82 DVT at the rear of it. So from what I've gathered from Rob here, he said it's 68012. So we'll double check on that. It sounds absolutely amazing. It is 68012, yes. 68012 at the front. And at the same time we should have a 168 pulling out to London Marylebone. I'm going to walk up to the end just in case the 168 is leaving. Sorry about shaky camera work. And on the rear of it we have 82303. And I'll just get around to this end so I can get a good photograph of it and also get a good shot for you guys as well. Now is 68008 to the 1310 Chiltern Railways Express service to Birmingham Moor Street. I think she's out now. Whistle's just blown for her to go. 1310, yeah, she's going. Go Come on, mate, let's get this puppy rolling. There we go. She does take time to get into gear. Oh, nice. And watch 65028 here as well. And 82304 for 66 088 or 008 on the I forgot.